Selena, thank you. We're following breaking news from Castle Shannon, where a late-night water main break has caused a lot of damage. Lisa Washington is not far away as she shares the latest information with us now. Lisa.
And Rick, this is still a very active sea. We have crews from Penn-American Water who are working, as you can see behind me, to repair this 20-inch water main that broke last night. I understand that call came in around 10:30 last night. Again, this is on Broadway Avenue here in Castle Shannon. We know that 95 customers have been affected by this water main break. There's a very large hole in the road on Broadway. Now, I also learned from a spokesman with Penn-American Water that not only are they dealing with a water main break, but that led to a gas leak, and so crews from Columbia Gas are here as well, and they are repairing the gas line. The good news, he says, is that this damage is covered. They're asking those 95 customers to call the 1-800 number so they can get more details about this situation that's happening. I asked him when he thought this might all be completed. He didn't have a definite time, but said hopefully today it will all be repaired. Again, this is on Broadway Avenue here in Castle Shannon. Broadway, of course, is closed. The good news is this isn't a major thoroughfare, so it shouldn't affect a lot of traffic, but certainly for the people who live here, a huge inconvenience. We know a number of homes have been flooded as well as some vehicles, so certainly a mess that these people will have to deal with for at least the next few hours while crews are working to repair the and also a gas line. We're reporting live in Castle Shannon this morning. I'm KDKA-TV Morning News.